Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find someone on Google Chat and add them. So if you need to find and add someone on a Google Chat, you can just follow this guide. First, you can just open your Gmails and head to the chat. Click on chat in here. You can just click on this new chat. And in here you can just type in the email address of that person that you want to add and find. For example, here I'm going to find this one. So you can just tap on this email that's pop up, or you can also write the complete email here. Click on this and then tap on start chat. So in Google Chat, you actually don't need to add them. You just need to find the emails and then open this conversations page like this. Now you can just send them a message and you'll be able to add them and send the message. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.